Today we are unboxing the NVIDIA RTX PRO 6000 Blackwell Workstation Edition. This GPU represents NVIDIA's latest generation of professional graphics technology, designed for high-end visualization, AI development, and compute-intensive workloads. The packaging follows NVIDIA's modern, minimalist design. The box features a matte finish with a subtle green accent line. The RTX PRO 6000 Blackwell has a solid metal construction with a matte black shroud and a dual-slot cooling design. It carries a professional, industrial look consistent with NVIDIA's workstation lineup. This model is built on the Blackwell architecture and includes 96 GB of GDDR7 memory. It offers major improvements in AI processing, ray tracing, and simulation performance over the previous generation. With enhanced Tensor and RT cores, it supports complex real-time rendering and machine learning workloads with high efficiency. The package includes the GPU itself, one auxiliary power cable, a support bracket, and standard documentation. The bracket is especially useful given the card's size and weight. The RTX PRO 6000 Blackwell is designed for professionals working in 3D content creation, simulation, and AI research.